Hello all, welcome back to the System Design Interview series. Today in this session we'll be covering the second aspect of pillars of system design. While we had covered reliability in our last session, in case you have missed to look at the particular session, recommendation will be go ahead and look back at that particular session. Security, a primary concern for any and most of the enterprise solutions today in this world. For a system design interviews, security becomes as important an aspect depending on the context of the problem being looked at. But overall, security is one of the important pillars. When we talk through about security, what exactly we mean by security? We mean in secure fashion, any of the transactions can be carried out. There are a lot of attack vectors today in this cloud world where the services are exposed, they are not on-prem, the accesses are not just restricted by a hardware access, but an actual cloud service which acts as security. In today's cloud world and today's even on-prem world, there are multiple factors around web application firewalls and application gateways which are used to secure our edges. There are multiple aspects while in this distributed system, different components are distributed across geographical regions, and to cater to the different geographical regions and the users distributed all across. With this comes the inherent challenge of maintaining security between these distributed systems which interact between each other, but we have to ensure in our design that any man in middle or any kind of obfuscation in between is handled or not allowed in itself. Now there are challenges or trade-offs which comes entwined with when we are working with in detail with security. One of the important aspect comes is reliability. To ensure the security, different edge devices and different kind of secure shielding components are put in place. Places where the distributed components could have interacted if security was not a concern directly, they have to go through private endpoint. They are set up under VNet to secure them. Now in this case, when we are setting up them under a VNet through and the accesses are only defined through private endpoints or managed identity based accesses and all, which leads to latency in between. Now consider distributed database architecture is there where data is to be synchronized all across. Even databases are set up under VNet. In that case, there can be a small possibility of a time window in which the data is not synced across, and at that point of time the reliability can be a challenge. Performance, with the latency entwined with security, different aspects of security features, performance gets impacted. That's one of the trade-offs. Cost optimization, with all these additional security measures put in place, cost escalates, inflates, and that has to be addressed. Now that's a trade-off. Operational excellence again gets reduced because of the maintenance of all these different attack prevention measures which are put in place as security measures. Depending on the different problem context, a solution being designed needs to be evaluated on top of security pillar also. Thanks for watching this particular session. Hope to see you all on the next session where I'll be covering the next 3 aspects of the pillar of system design. Thank you.